Charlie here. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is a beautiful holiday. We got nice wind on the water, so I'm gonna scope it out, see if I can catch any fish. I will be hanging out with the family on Saturday. And beautiful day, let's catch some fish. I'm gonna be using frozen shad as bait. I picked some up from my buddy Joe Baker at Hooked Up Tackle, so y'all check him out. And I'll be using them rigs he gave me as well, so try to catch some nice fish. I've done really well here at this location. All right, everyone, I'm gonna start dragging some baits here. I'm gonna be going from the west to the east. This lake is known for not having a good east wind, but hey, can't catch from the house. I'm gonna start in about 22 feet of water. The water temp's about 58, so they should be a little deeper. Tons of bait fish around. And I'm going to use some of the bait that I picked up from my buddy Joe. Check it out, y'all. Look at them big old shads. I'm going to go ahead and put some of these. See what we can catch. I got 7 rods out. All right. Get these bad boys out of here. Got some freezer burn outside the bag, which is better than inside the bag. I'm gonna sharpen these knives. Ooh, slimy. Take this one out. So I got 7 rods, me 7 pieces. I'm gonna vary in the baits sizes. 1, 2. The wind's just barely blowing, which is pretty cool. So I'm spot locked right now until I actually get going. 3. 4. 5. All right, guys, you can see we're settled in into a nice little drift. Instead of going into the wind, I decided to go across because I wanted to go to this bridge up here. When I get to the bridge, and then I'm going to go across since the wind's coming from that side. And everything's being dragged, all 7 baits. 6 on planer boards, 3 on each side, obviously. And then 1 just straight down the back, no planer board. So tons of bait fish. I'm going at about 1 mile an hour just because of the angle that I'm going. It's between 0.7 and 1 mile, but might slow it down a little bit. Tons of bait fish out there. Just enjoying a little snack. Not even a bite yet. Check it out, y'all. Reeling in to move spots. I'm gonna do another little. It feels like something's on there. Oh yeah, it is a little fish on there. Look at that. That whole time I couldn't even feel it that he was on there. Look at that. Not too shabby, but he's about to get off. Get off. I'm not sure what happened to my trolling over there. What's up, buddy? Had no idea I had a fish on. That's pretty neat. This is a nice fish too. Nice size fishy. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Around the corner of that lip. He's on the far out planer board, but the waves are bouncing up and down. I didn't even think about it. There it is, y'all. Second fish of the day. Another nice little eater. Say hi. 2 Thanksgiving fish. All right. So I'm gonna start dragging now from this point across as the wind's coming this way. So I'm gonna planer boards were being a little funky. So yeah, let's catch another. Dang guys, I had just released this planer board and something just hammered it as it was being released. Whoa, let me lock these up. Whoa, that is so cool. That hasn't happened. Whoa, that's a nice fish. That hasn't happened in a couple of years to me. Whoa, right as it was being released. Woohoo! Yes, third Thanksgiving fish, y'all. Exciting. Woo! Wow, he got hammered. It got hammered, y'all. Heck yeah. Whew. Right as it was going down, y'all. Got him, y'all. Heck yeah. Good holiday. And I get to see my grandbabies and my daughters tomorrow. Woo, that's a nice fish. Nice fish, y'all. Nice little fish. Check it out. Check it out, y'all. Woo! I'm gonna need the net for this sucker. Oh yeah. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Oh yeah. The net. Go up front. Look at the size of that thing. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, fishy. Come on, fishy. Whoa, look at that sucker. He is nice. That is a nice fish, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Come on, sucker. Got him. Got him, y'all. Wow. Freaking hammered it as it was going down, y'all. Look at that beauty. He is a beauty. Look at that sucker. Get him in the boat, y'all. Woohoo! What's up, everybody? Third fish of the day on Thanksgiving. Look at him. Nice beauty. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. That sucker hit as I was letting the planer board go out. He freaking hammered it. Look at the size of that head on him. Heck yeah. Let's do it again. About to let this sucker go. Alright, thank you for letting me catch you, buddy. Thank you so much. There you go. Get you some water. Let me know when you're ready. Beautiful fish. Let me know. Oh, you ready? Ow. He's ready. There he goes. Beautiful. Heck yeah. Good holiday. Alright, went ahead and rebaited this one. Put another piece of shad, a big old head piece. Alright, let's chunk it out the back. And I chunked it earlier, freaking something hammered it, but look at that. That pig float definitely floats it. That's how you can check. Alright, let's catch a monster, y'all. Yeah, just cast it out the back. And I hold it with my thumb till it hits. Then I start letting it get extra line. Still going, it just hit. And you can see it tugging, so I'll give it slack. Just so it's trailing way behind the boat. It's covering more ground. Watch something hit it again like a second ago. We got one, y'all. Got another one. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh yeah. Feels good, y'all. Feels nice. Fourth Thanksgiving fish. we get him on the boat. Nice takedown. He hit it hard, and then the planer board kind of went back into place, but then he hammered it again. Let's see. Ooh, nice fish. Nice fish, y'all. Look at that. Woo! And he is caught on my buddy Joe's rig. Beautifully. And I put double bait. Hold on, buddy. Alright, got him in, yo. Check him out. Beautiful fish. They're nice and pink and blue. Check it out, y'all. Caught on my buddy Joe's rig. Get the hook out. There it is, y'all. Beauty. A beauty. But right back in the water. There it goes. Good day, good day. Come on, fish, keep coming. Not sure if this is a snag or what, y'all. Yeah, that's a snag. A snag. Got it. I think we got another, guys. Come off. Now he's on here. He's on here, y'all. Number 5. Number 5. Come on, baby. Number 5, y'all. Come on, baby. Just want to look at you. Ooh, nice fish. I caught some nice eaters today. Look at that. Nice fish. I'll bring him around. Uh-oh. You see that? Pretty fish today. Pretty. Nice fish, y'all. Look at that. There you go. I'll let Felicia go. There she goes. Bye, buddy. Thank you for letting me catch. Let's do it again, y'all. Beautiful Thanksgiving. I just brought 4 shads, which I got 2. I actually got 4 from Joe at Hooked Up Tackle, but I only brought 2 of those, and then I had some older frozen shad that I brought. So far, doing really well in about 20 foot of water. So no complaints here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Thanksgiving holiday. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, did he come off? No, he's on there, y'all. Oh, here you go. Got him, y'all, number 6. Got him, y'all, number 6. Ooh, just straight down the back. Ooh, he got some head shakes on him. Not a monster, but he is putting up a fight. Number 6, y'all. Ooh, there's a big old gar that just surfaced over there. I think it was a gar. Yep, big old gar. Crazy December there. And jumping around the surface. Come on, baby. Man, that's a big old gar. Another catfish, y'all. Here it is. Number 6. They're all been beautiful, nice eaters. Beautiful, nice eaters. Buddy, I reuse that bait. Hand it over. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and chunk this back really quick since it's just straight down the back. Woohoo! Good day, y'all. Good Thanksgiving Day. Chunk it out the back, let it hit, give it some slack. Here she is, number 6. Number 6, number 6, number 6. Number 6, y'all. Beautiful. Alright. Here she goes, y'all, back into the depths. This is 29 feet of water. See you, buddy. Here she goes. Bye. Thank you so much for letting me catch you on Thanksgiving. All right, y'all. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Got him, y'all. Take this. I was actually picking up the rocks to head out, but we got them. Oh yeah, another one, number 7. Number 7 today on the planer board. Nice one. My buddy Joe's rig. There it is, y'all. Number 7. Going right back in the water. Alright, I'm gonna pack up and I'm gonna go around the corner here and fish where it's a little bit deeper.